Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, we're going to show you how to make money on Temu. So you just need to follow all these simple steps on how you can make money. So let's get into it. So first up here is open your Temu app and you just have to close all the pop-up ads right here. And then what you're going to do is tap on this U button here at the bottom middle of your screen. And then here on the settings, you must tap on this earn credits and free gifts. But if you don't have this option, you just need to go here on settings and then tap on country and region, and you just need to choose here United States at the bottom. So once you've done, go back here and tap on this earn credits and free gifts. And as you can see, you have a bunch of choices here on how you can make money. So to earn money or cash, you just need to tap on redeem cash right here. And here, as you can see, currently I have $1. And if you want to make money, you just need to refer friends right here. So click on this button and then you have to copy your referral link, as you can see, or you can just copy your referral code. So once you send it to your friends and they download this Temu, then you can get more free spins and you can get more coins, and that you can convert into a money and you can cash out it through your PayPal account. So that's how you make money on Temu. So if you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.